Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Measure 1/2 cup mayonnaise into a medium bowl, then add 3 tablespoons honey and 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard for the Zaxbys Hot Honey Mustard base. Add 1 tablespoon yellow mustard to brighten the tang, then pour in 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar to balance sweetness. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon cayenne for heat, keep a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper for seasoning, and set aside any extra honey for adjusting sweetness at the end. Whisk the mixture vigorously for 45 to 60 seconds until the sauce is smooth, glossy, and fully emulsified. This creates the classic Zaxby's texture. Taste a small dab and adjust sweetness with 1 teaspoon more honey, or bump the heat by 1/4 teaspoon cayenne, or add 1/4 teaspoon salt if it tastes flat. If the sauce is too thick for dipping, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons warm water while whisking to reach a perfect dip. Serve the hot honey mustard immediately as a dip for chicken fingers and fries, or spread it on sandwiches for a sweet spicy lift. It pairs well with pickles and coleslaw. Transfer any leftovers to an airtight container and store in the refrigerator for up to 10 days, labeling the date so you use it fresh. Whisk briefly before serving to reincorporate any separated oil, and avoid freezing since the mayonnaise base will separate and ruin the texture when thawed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.